All right, 12th class. I'm going to revise 2-3 programs of stack. Okay, as per the board pattern. Okay, all of you open rough copy in front of you. The question is that we are to write the definition of a function pop push. Is it visible to you, LCD? We are to write the definition of a function. The function name is pop push. And this function takes 3 parameters. One is the list with the name lpop, then lpush, then n. एक हमने फंक्शन तैयार करना है पॉप पुश के नाम से और उसके अंदर वी आर पासिंग 3 पैरामीटर्स. द पैरामीटर्स आर lpop, lpush and n. Okay, what actually we are to do? The question is lpop एक लिस्ट है, lpush भी एक लिस्ट है. lpop में से एलिमेंट उठाने, lpush में ट्रांसफर करने. You are to pop elements from one list and push them into another list. But how many elements? N number of elements. You are to pick up n number of elements. Clear? Question is clear to you? Hanji, online class question is clear? Suppose your list is lpop list is 10, 15, 20, 30. ठीक है? And value of n is 2. Value of n is 2. That means the new list lpush, it will have element 30 and 20. It will have element 30 and 20. Anybody can tell me why 30 and 20? Anybody can tell me why 30 and 20? Yes, please. Anyone जिसे स्टैक का मीनिंग याद हो? टॉप से ही इंसर्शन, टॉप से डिलीशन. यस मौलिक.
सर लास्ट में 30 है तो वो सबसे पहले आ जाएगा एल पुश वाली में और फिर 20 ऐड हो जाएगा.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. जो लास्ट एलिमेंट है वो 30 है और as per the rule of the stack, the element which has been placed at the end will be the first element to be pop out. 30 पॉप हो गया. 30 के बाद जो टॉप है, टॉप इसको पॉइंट करेगा 20 को. 30 के बाद टॉप 20 को पॉइंट करेगा. अब 20 लास्ट में है तो 20 पहले पॉप होगा. And as per the order of the popping of the element, the elements are append in the new list lpush. Clear? So we are to start the function. Let us solve it. मैंने एक फंक्शन बनाया push pop के नाम से and I am passing my to list and n as parameter. One function based question on stack is must. ये आना ही आना. Okay, so don't ignore the program of stack. And from the practical point of view also, program of stack is very important. Okay, so what we are to do, we are to run the for loop for I in range n. Yes, Maulik, something you want to ask? Maulik? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So for I in range up till n, okay, in the new stack, in the new list, you append your element. Which element? The element that you pop from the previous list. This is the name of my previous list, already existing list. लिस्ट का एक पॉप मेथड होता है जो मैंने यूज किया. ओके, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन मोर ओवर हियर. द पॉप मेथड ऑफ द लिस्ट, it takes the index of the element which you want to remove. As per the rule of pop method, it will take the index of the element which you want to remove. But right now, in front of you, I am not taking any index inside the pop method. My pop method is having empty brackets. Why? Why pop is having empty brackets, and what will happen when pop is having empty bracket? What will happen when pop method is having the empty brackets? Yes, please come with your answers. Pop will always remove the last element. Anybody else? अगर पॉप के अंदर आपने इंडेक्स पास नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? 12th class, you are to face the external examiner in the practical exam. ऐसे चुप बैठने से गुजारा नहीं होना आपका. Every time when I ask question, you all are sitting silently in the online class. Yes, hurry up, come with your answers. Yes, Tanisha.
सर जो टॉप पे होगा एलिमेंट वो रिमूव हो जाएगा.
जो टॉप पे एलिमेंट पड़ा है वो रिमूव होगा. ओके, यू कैन से indirectly you want to say the element which is at the end, which is at the last. Whenever pop method is used without index, it will always remove the last element, and the last element is 30. Right? Clear? Print new list, print L push. Right? Now this was the function that we have created. Now I am to make the main function. If you want to run this question practically, you have to make the main code also. Main code is, I have list L pop, which is having element 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay. I am having empty list and n मैं input करवा लेता हूं. How many elements you want to pop? Okay. How many elements is visible to you both? Okay. How many elements you want to pop? Then you call the function push pop and pass your list and n as parameter. Am I clear, class? 12th class, any doubt? So you save this program. यहां पे मैं एक फोल्डर बना रहा हूं, Python Codings 12th. This is 2021 board paper stack question. Okay. 2 elements. Check it out. Check it out. See this. This was the existing list. और उसके लास्ट n की वैल्यू 2 दी है मैंने. I have given n2. n2 means last 2 elements. सबसे पहले 40 पॉप होगा, 40 के बाद 35 पॉप होगा, and for loop will run up till the value of n. For loop will run up till the value of n. n is 2. जो मैंने यहां पे इनपुट करवाया, I have asked the user how many elements the user want to pop. User say n. n की जो भी वैल्यू होगी, the user has input the value via n, and n variable is passed as parameter inside the function. You can do one more step here. Additional step you can do. Print original list. Print lpop. Okay. Now, this is the original list. Please see here, both of you. This is the original list. Now I say N3. I want to pop 3 elements. Anybody can tell me which 3 elements will be transferred to the new stack, new list? Which 3 elements will be popped and will be transferred to the new list? Yes. If n value is 3, which 3 values will be transferred? Anybody? Lagan. Yes, Lagan.
Sir, 40, 35, 30.
40, 35, 30. Very good. Shabash. Good. ये देखो, new list. Clear? I give you 1 minute. All of you go through the coding. And any doubt, discuss with me. Till then, I find the next question for you. Hurry up, please discuss with me. Any doubt? Any question which is not clear to you? Lagan, you want to ask some question? I have some more question with you. Okay. Yeah. There is one more condition which the question says, the condition is that if the value of n is more than the number of elements present in the pop, then display message pop is not possible. एक note है, if the value of n is more than the number of elements present, आपके लिस्ट में, ये आपकी लिस्ट है, आपकी लिस्ट में सिर्फ 3 एलिमेंट्स हैं, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज 4. The number of elements you want to pop are more than the number of elements actually in the list. Then message should come not possible. Anybody can tell me what condition we will see here? Anyone? Anyone tell me the condition which we will check here? Please use your brain, use your intelligence level and tell me. Yes, Bhavneet Singh.
Sir, if n is less than or equal to length of list.
Very good. Extremely good. शाबाश. आप अपनी लिस्ट की लेंथ फाइंड करो. अगर लेंथ की वैल्यू n से कम है, if x equal to length of L pop, okay, if x is less than n, print pop not possible, else के बाद आप यहां पे अपना फॉर लूप चला दो. ठीक है, गॉट इट? Am I clear what I have done? जिनको मैं क्लियर हूं प्लीज रेज योर थंब, और जिनको मैं क्लियर नहीं हूं दे रेज देयर हैंड. भवनीत सिंह, तनीषा, मनरीत, मोहित, लगन, सनविंदर, दमन, अंशिता, सुखमनी. अंशिता, आर यू हेयर इन द क्लास? How many class tests you have given, Anshita? Just tell me. And how many you have missed? Akriti, Jatin Mahajan, no response coming. Tushar Arora, no response coming. Ruchika, no response. Varun to class mein hoga hi nahi. Shailza, Vidisha, no response. As usual. Silent. Shailza, are you here in the class? Vidisha? No response. Yes, Vanshika, what is your doubt? Your voice is not audible clearly, please. You want me to repeat the code?
Excuse me, sir. जो भी आपने
Okay.
Yes, sir. जो भी
The examiner is saying that जो ये आपकी लिस्ट है जिसमें से आपने एलिमेंट पॉप करके नई लिस्ट में ट्रांसफर करने हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक, is your list having sufficient number of elements? Suppose your list is having only 3 elements and you are to pop 4 elements. आपकी लिस्ट में सिर्फ 3 एलिमेंट हैं और आपके n की वैल्यू 5 है मान लो, तो आपकी लेंथ n से कम है, जितने पॉप करने हैं उतने अवेलेबल नहीं है। द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स यू वांट टू पॉप आर नॉट सफिशिएंट, देन मैसेज शुड प्रिंट पॉप नॉट पॉसिबल, तो पॉपिंग नहीं होगी। Popping of element will take place in that situation where your x, the length of the list, exceeds the number of elements to be popped. अगर आपके टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स जो लिस्ट में हैं वो n से ज्यादा हैं तो पॉप पॉसिबल है। नाउ इट इज क्लियर वंशिका? Vanshika, now it is clear? Where is she? Like I am having here 30, 40, 50, like this. Okay? Clear? All right. Let's move to the next question now. This was the first question I discussed today. I make changes here only. Stack question number 2. All right, the next question which I have to discuss is write a function in Python pop stack. Now the function name is pop stack, which is having the name of the stack as parameter. Okay, the function should return the value deleted from the stack. Pop function बनाना है, stack से element remove करी जाओ और return करवाई जाओ. Right? Clear? So the function is pop stack. It takes the name of the stack as parameter. Okay, clear? आप लोग पहले क्वेश्चन लिखिए प्लीज. All of you note down the question. Write a function pop stack. Write a function pop stack. ब्रैकेट में L, bracket में L, where L is the stack, where L is the stack, implemented by list of numbers, where L is the stack implemented by list of numbers. The function returns the deleted element from the stack. The function returns the deleted element from the stack. Okay, so this is my stack L, right? Original list, original stack को print करा दिया. Okay, and पॉप स्टैक को मैंने कॉल किया, फंक्शन को मैंने कॉल किया लिस्ट को पैरामीटर बनाकर. ओके, देन आई जंप टू द फंक्शन. सबसे पहले चेक करो क्या अंडरफ्लो तो नहीं है. पॉप करने के टाइम यू आर टू चेक stack underflow ना हो. When stack will be underflow? Who will tell? Tell me the condition where stack will be underflow. Yes, please. Tell me the condition where stack will be underflow. Well, yeah, good. When there are no elements to be deleted, what condition will be there that will see underflow? कौन सी ऐसी कंडीशन है जो ये सिग्निफाई करेगी कि स्टैक अंडरफ्लो हो गया? कुछ भी नहीं है डिलीट करने के लिए। यस मौलिक, आप बताइए।
Yes, sir.
Which condition will signify the stack is underflow?
Underflow. Sir, when there is no element in the list, list empty होगी.
How you can check it?
Sir, if L is equal to empty square brackets.
When
L is equal to empty square brackets.
ओके बट हम ये भी कह सकते हैं अगर हम स्टैक की लेंथ काउंट करें और लेंथ 0 हो जाए
Yes, sir.
तब भी तो वो एम्प्टी है।
Yes.
फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द स्टैक इफ x equal to 0, print underflow. Print underflow. Okay, clear? Otherwise you print the length of the stack, right? And whichever value you want to return, what is y minus 1? Anybody can tell me? y हो गई स्टैक की लेंथ। What is y minus 1? क्या? लास्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ द स्टैक, ये वाला। This is y minus 1. Y is the total length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is 6. And y minus 1 is 6 minus 1. That is 5. 5 is the index of last element. 5 is the index of last element. Okay? Clear? Am I clear, 12th? Then you return val. val को रिटर्न करो और पॉप मेथड लगा के आप y minus 1 को रिमूव करो। ठीक है? क्लियर टू ऑल?